Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to pay with Paysafe on your Supercell store. So log in into your Supercell account here. Now once you're logged in, so we have to log in into our account, and this is ID option, so make sure you have logged in into your account, right? And once you have logged in, navigate to the store section. So go in game store where you can purchase items like gems or other items depending upon which game you're playing. So Supercell provide you a lot of games and they're selling different kinds of stuff, right? Which you can just buy on any one of the game here. Then choose the item you wish to buy and add them to your shopping cart. Right now, at the payment method selected screen, look for this option to add Paysafe card. And by the way, let me inform you that Paysafe card is available in very few countries. It's not available in every country. So if you don't have any option, then you won't be able to use Paysafe card. At the payment method section screen, look for this option to add a Paysafe card. If you have not yet logged in into your Paysafe account, do this at this stage. Now it will ask you to verify your account, and after that you will be able to use Paysafe card to purchase any of the item in any of the games of Supercell. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe.